Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody was trying to explain, and I think we finally figured it out. But if you had a 3" by 3" square, and I've gone over this before in a video, and you want to make it 3 inches plus 13/16 of an inch, which is 0.8125. So instead of getting out a calculator to figure out what 13/16 is, you can just hit plus on your keyboard and then 13/16 and hit enter. And this is what his question was. He's getting only 38.13. It's rounding up because his decimal place is set low. So with your parallel dimension tool, if you will hold down your control button, because when we're working with this many digits, you want it to be perpendicular. See, it says it's only 3.81, but very easily inside of the parallel dimension tool, you can change to make it read. You can change out your digits. But to make this read the same amount, you can go to Tools, Options, Corel Draw, and it'll be a little bit different. And you're normally open under General, go to Edit, and you can change your decimal places right here to 5, and then say OK. So now we've got 3.8125 on our box. Corel just rounding up. It's actually that, even though it says it's rounded up, it hasn't rounded up. It's just showing you what it should be, but because it doesn't have enough decimal places. So you can make it whatever you want in here, and it's going to be that size, even though it doesn't show that because it's rounded up. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.